How to fix error 0xd000a002, we weren't able to set your PIN. 1. Recreate NGC folder. To do so, backup then clear all items at c:\windows/service profiles/local service /appdata/local/microsoft/ngc in Windows Safe Mode. Note, you may also use some ownership taking tool. 2. Ensure that Turn on Convenience PIN Sign-in is enabled in Group Policy Editor. Path, Administrative Templates System Logon. 3. Use System Restore Point. 4. Switch to local account. 5. Reset reinstall here Windows. 6. More tips. 6.1 Red Windows Hello errors during PIN creation at https://.com/n-identity-protection/hello-for-business/hello-errors- during -pin creation. 6.2 Reset PIN. And login screen. 6.3. Login using another sign-in option and reset PIN later. 6.4. Disable fast boot and enable TPM in BIOS/UEFI. Restart your PC later. .5. Perform startup repair in Windows Safe Mode. 6.6 Set 0. To device passwordless build version at hkey_local_machine /software/Microsoft/Windows NT/current version /passwordless/device in registry editor. 6.7 Run. /c:\/ profiles /local service /appdata /local /Microsoft /ngc/t/q/c/reset command as admin.